Are you running an excavator under 9 tons? Should you go for bolt-on bladed or should you go for weld-on blade to teeth? Let's break this down for you. So why do we here at Rhinox suggest that anything below 9 ton, it is preferable to use bolt-on bladed rather than welding blades onto your teeth? The first reason is the versatility and how easy it is to replace bolt-on bladed version buckets. Switching between a bolt-on blade and then a set of teeth on a bucket is much quicker than having to weld a blade across a tooth. Again, taking that off and putting teeth on's not so hard, but when it comes to fitting a blade onto the teeth, you've got to have the facilities to do it, but also it takes time for a labourer to weld that blade on. Replacing bolt-on blades is so simple as well. So it's either a case of undoing the bolts and flipping the blade, or once both sides are worn, it's a case of just undoing the bolts and buying a replacement blade and fitting that. And with this, there's no cutting or grinding or welding involved in this process. Just a simple case of undoing bolts and doing bolts back up. And let's talk money, because at the end of the day, money talks. And generally speaking, a bolt-on tooth bucket or a bolt-on bladed bucket would cost about the same kind of money. In some cases, people do prefer to weld blades onto their teeth. But as we say, it is more expensive because you've got the extra steel, but also you've got the labour time to weld that blade on. With a bolt-on bladed bucket, you get the full protection of the underneath of the lip plate. Whereas with a bolt-on tooth with weld-on blade to those teeth bucket, you've only got that protection where the bolt holes sit. So there's no protection in between these, which makes it open more to extra wear. So here at Rhinox, why don't we recommend that you weld blades onto the teeth for any bucket that has a bolt-on style tooth pattern? So generally speaking, any bucket that's 7/8 ton or below would tend to have a bolt-on tooth style pattern. So anything 5 to 8 ton would have a JCB style tooth pattern, and then from 4 down to 1.5 would usually have a Kubota style tooth pattern. The reason why this isn't so great, welding blades onto these teeth, is that first of all you've only got 2 bolts per tooth, but also there's a certain weakness where the tooth meets the lip plate and teeth weren't exactly designed to have blades welded onto them. So here at Rhinox we do a cat style tooth pattern on anything that is 9 ton and above. So for 9 ton we use a cat 205 teeth and adapter system. For 14 ton we use cat 215 system, and then 20 ton or 80mm pin style buckets we use cat 225 system. And the reason why this is more acceptable to have weld-on blades to the teeth is because of the extra connection you've got between the lip plate and the end of the tooth or the end of the blade. And the cat style tooth pattern is a much stronger system because you've got a full adapter. Generally speaking, there could be 3+ adapters welded onto the lip plate, and you've got that stronger connection between that and the lip plate. We make it so simple to replace bolt-on blades. It's just a case of telling Rhinox the width of the bucket and the machine size it's on. Whereas a weld-on blade to teeth version is something that we can't really offer because of the fitment issue. Another reason why having weld-on blade to teeth buckets might not be so preferential for you is because you've got to have the facilities to do that manufacturing or fabrication. You'd have to have a skilled labourer or fabricator, and you'd have to have the extra steel, and you'd obviously have to have a welder. Whereas when you've got a bolt-on blade, it's just a case of contacting the manufacturer of the buckets and getting that blade sorted. While we recommend that you have bolt-on bladed buckets, this isn't to say that we won't do it, and there are customers that still have this, because at the end of the day we do what's right for the customer. But if you're asking for recommendation, this video has been a reason why we would recommend the bolt-on blades over welding blades onto your teeth. If you were to request Rhinox to weld on blades to the teeth, this would however add lead time onto the delivery of the buckets, because we need to put the buckets back through our workshop. Generally speaking, talking about 7 to 10 days extra lead time, whereas anything bolt-on blade, because the bolt hole patterns are the same for bladed or standard toothed, we can switch out the blades for teeth immediately, so we can do that same day dispatch. If you want to know the pros and the cons of bolt-on blades versus weld-on blades to teeth, please watch this video here, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up and give us feedback on any videos you want to see from Rhinox.